Hello everyone. Welcome back to another monthly update for the SOXL Challenge. It is Friday evening, December 19th, 2025, and this will be our final update of the year. SOXL closed today at approximately $42, which is a significant jump from last month's $32. It has been a true roller coaster year for us. We saw SOXL peak at $36 back on January 22nd, 2025, followed by that brutal crash down to $7 on April 7th. The recovery really kicked into gear after that, with SOXL climbing to $50 by October 29th. However, the volatility continued as SOXL plunged from $50 to $28 on November 21st, before rallying back to the $50 level on December 10th. Currently, with the price around $42, these large swings in November and December reflect ongoing AI bubble concerns, tech sector weakness, and investor anxiety over economic data. Let's examine the SOXX daily chart in detail. SOXX is currently positioned near $300. For those new to the channel, SOXL is a triple leveraged ETF that magnifies the daily movements of SOXX, which tracks leading U.S. semiconductor companies. As of today's close, SOXX is maintaining its position above both the SMA 50 purple line and the SMA 200 green line. To be specific, SOXX broke above the SMA 50 purple line on May 6, 2025, and successfully cleared the SMA 200 green line on June 4, 2025. On September 18, 2025, SOXX hit a brand new all-time high of $268, surpassing the previous record of $267 from July 11, 2024. We witnessed a golden cross formation on July 8, 2025, when the SMA 50 purple line crossed above the SMA 200 green line. The previous golden cross occurred back in January 2023. Following that signal, SOXX embarked on an incredible 18-month rally. If history repeats, we still have potentially 13 months of upside ahead of us, lasting until January 2027. Looking at recent price action, SOXX hit a new all-time high of $312 on October 29, dipped to $260 on November 21, and then surged to another new record of $317 on December 10. It was encouraging to see SOXX rebound near the previous record of $267. Usually, a previous peak can act as a support line in a strong market. There is one more technical element to highlight: the SMA 20 black line. This faster-moving average reflects short-term momentum. Since the golden cross in July, we have seen three parallel lines: the SMA 20 black line on top, the SMA 50 purple line in the middle, and the SMA 200 green line at the bottom. This pattern signals that SOXX is maintaining a strong chart structure. Although SOXX slipped below the SMA 50 purple line 3 times since the golden cross in early September, November, and December, it was able to rebound above both the SMA 50 purple line and the SMA 20 black line. Moving into 2026, it will be crucial to monitor whether SOXX can hold the SMA 50 purple line or at least find support at the SMA 200 green line. The technology sector led a powerful market resurgence today as investors rushed back into the artificial intelligence trade, driving both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq to new heights. The rally was spearheaded by spectacular gains from Micron Technology and Nvidia, signaling that the appetite for AI infrastructure remains insatiable. In the semiconductor space, the momentum was undeniable as chipmakers reclaimed their leadership position. Nvidia's climb back toward record territory acted as a catalyst for the entire semiconductor index. This rebound highlights a shift in sentiment where concerns over a potential AI bubble are being overshadowed by concrete revenue growth. This AI resurgence suggests that the semiconductor industry remains the primary engine for the current bull market. Now let's review my current holdings. I am not adding new shares this month since I have already invested about $20,000 during the first 2 years of this challenge. Going forward, I am sticking to my plan of approximately $7,000 in annual investments. In my Roth IRA, I am holding 354 shares at an average cost of $24.71. The current value is approximately $14,800 with unrealized gains of about $6,100, representing a 69% return. My individual taxable account holds 525 shares with a current market value of approximately $22,000. Combined, that is 879 total shares worth about $36,800, significantly up from last month's $28,100. My core philosophy remains the same. I will buy and sell based on the SOXL Surge Strategy, a term I coined based on the semiconductor sector's pronounced business cycles. It is a long-term swing approach tied to SOXX trends. While I previously targeted selling above $60, these levels can shift. In this current cycle, I may look to sell between $79 and $122. For more details on my 2026 exit plan, you can watch my short video titled SOXL Surge 2026. Despite the volatility, my conviction in semiconductors remains rock solid. AI, cloud computing, and high-performance computing are still in the early innings of a massive transformation. Patient investors who stay disciplined through the inevitable ups and downs will likely be rewarded with substantial long-term capital appreciation. That is your December 2025 SOXL Challenge update. We are in this for the marathon, not the sprint. If this update added value for you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and keep building that wealth mindset. I will catch you next month. Peace out, SOXL family.